Bihar Legislative Assembly elections will be held in 3 phases, with first stage on 28 October 2020, second on 3 November 2020, and third on 7 November 2020. The counting of votes will be held on 10th of November. It will be held to elect 243 members of the Bihar Legislative Assembly. Bihar is expected to witness the elections in October-November 2020. These elections will be conducted amid the COVID-19 pandemic, so the necessary guidelines are issued by the Election Commission of India. This year's election will consist of both virtual and physical campaigns. Other than this, EC will also pass the guidelines over limited people to be involved in the rallies. Political parties have already started formulating their strategies and are going well on them. The actor Sushant Singh Rajput's tragic death will play a key role in the upcoming elections. On 25 September, Election Commission of India announced the dates for Bihar Assembly elections. The Bihar Assembly elections will be held in 3 phases from October 28, Chief Election Commissioner Sunil Arora announced on Friday. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.